Hello guys, welcome back to JavaScript tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about a global context. This is one of important topic and very difficult to understand now in later step. What is global context? Means wait. Now we will declare one function name called go. We will keep Goa like Goa and console with log hi like hi, and now we should call that function. How we will call GOA this way we will call and run the node GOA. See, in this way we will run. See, okay. In some cases, if you write here, remove the Goa and write here. Now see what will be the output. See, now also it prints hi. This how is possible means in JavaScript when every line single line runs means it will be stored in global. It will when a particular line execute, it will be in the global context. When we want, it will come. See, it will be stored in the global context. When want this function, this return method, this method, then it will become automatically. So in this case, it will be run. So let us take another example, like see that take console. Here take console. First where name equal to I'll keep John. Okay. Repeat name. See John cat. Okay. Now write if statement. If name equal to name, we'll take 3 equals. You know what is 3 equals and 2 equals. Then we'll console dot log hi. See, it printed hi. Now I will write Windows.hi. Means it also printed in Windows. When you write name equal to Windows.hi, it means it is both also same. See, it will be possible when it will be Windows means a global variable. So it will be the name will be present in the this name will be present in the global variable, and this will be present in the global variable. But in our browser, let us see. I'll comment this and run that. So name equal to JOHN. I will run now. Control C. Now it okay. Here we will write Windows dot. Oh shit, Windows.hi. now will show error because it is not present in the global. It is the windows.name it only applicable in that browser, web browser. This is we are running from the Node.js. So here in Node.js this is not will be possible in this case. Okay, in further I will explain very detailedly about Node.js, this about console.log.